Imagine losing everything overnight: no money, no friends, no place to sleep. Now imagine you're actually a billionaire hiding the biggest secret in the city. For the next 24 hours, one man would walk the streets pretending to be homeless. Some people ignored him. Some insulted him. But one stranger's kindness changed everything forever. What happened next shocked the entire world. Michael Carter was one of the richest men in America. He owned luxury cars, private jets, and companies worth billions. Yet one question haunted him every night. Were people truly kind, or did they only respect money? To find the answer, he made a shocking decision. He cut his hair unevenly, wore torn clothes, and stepped onto the streets as a homeless man. The first few hours were painful. Hundreds of people walked by without even making eye contact. Some moved away as if he didn't exist. Others mocked him openly. For the first time in his life, Michael felt invisible. The respect he once received had disappeared overnight. As evening approached, hunger began to take over. Michael had not eaten all day. He sat outside a restaurant hoping someone might help. Most customers looked away. Then a young waitress named Sarah noticed him through the window. Sarah walked outside carrying a meal she had paid for herself. She handed it to Michael with a smile and said, "Everyone deserves kindness." She didn't ask for anything in return. She simply wanted to help another human being. Michael was stunned. All day people had ignored him, but Sarah treated him with dignity. They talked for nearly an hour. She shared stories about working 2 jobs to support her family. Despite her struggles, she never stopped helping others. The next morning Michael returned to his normal life. But he couldn't stop thinking about Sarah. Her kindness had revealed something powerful. True character isn't measured by wealth. It's measured by how we treat people who can offer us nothing in return. A week later, Sarah received an invitation to a corporate event. Confused but curious, she attended. When she entered the grand hall, her jaw dropped. Standing on stage was the homeless man she had helped. The audience watched in silence as Michael told the entire story. He explained how Sarah was the only person who had shown genuine compassion. Cameras recorded every second. Many people in the crowd were moved to tears. Then came the surprise. Michael announced that Sarah would receive a life-changing reward. Not because she expected it. Not because she asked for it. But because kindness deserves recognition. Sarah was given a new home, financial support for her family, and a scholarship fund for her younger siblings. She broke down in tears. The entire room stood and applauded. Before leaving the stage, Michael shared one final message. Never judge a person by their appearance. The greatest hearts are often hidden behind the simplest faces. That message spread across the world, inspiring millions to choose kindness over judgment.